Number 39, a little study. We're doing mini scales for all of this. We're just walking up and walking right back down. And this is a good time for you to check in with your bow and into your intonation and really spend time listening to the half steps and the whole steps between the notes. So what is a half step and whole step? When we go from open to 1, when we have those tapes, you can see it a little bit better. That's a whole step. And 1 to 2 to that tape, that's another whole step. And that third finger is a half step because they're touching. And then that fourth finger would be another whole step. So we have that same pattern over on our E string. Open to 1 is a whole step, 1 to 2 is a half step, 2 to 3 is a half step, and fourth finger is that whole step. So we can use particular things to really check our intonation. When we play third finger on any of these strings, we can use the lower string right underneath of it to check that we're in tune, because A, B, C, D, and we have an open D right next to it. So we can check that intonation right there. And then A, B, C, D, E, we could check that with the open E string. That was terrible. So I'm not used to guitar position. So check with those and listen to how they resonate with each other. So think about the do, re, mi, your solfege, do, re, mi. Each of them when you're playing these mini scales. So A, B, C, B, A, rest, rest. B, C, D, C, B, rest, rest. C, D, E, is that 4, D, C. D, do an open E, 1, F, E, D. I'm not going to sing that high for you. E, F, G, F, E. F, G, A, G, F. G, F, B, A, G. A, B, A, B, A. G, or A, G, F, E, D. G, F, E, D, C. F, E, D, C, B. E, D, C, B, A. All right, let's pluck it. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, rest, rest. B, C, D, C, B. Rest, rest. C, D, E, D, C. Rest, rest. D, E, F, E, D. Rest, open E. E, F, G, F, E. Rest, rest. F, G, A, G, F. Rest, rest. G, A, B, A, G. Rest, rest. A, B, A, B, A. Rest, rest. Walk down. A, G, F, E, D. Rest, rest. G, F, E, D, C. Rest, rest. F, E, D, C, B. Fourth finger. E, D, C, B, A. All right, nice and smooth bows for these. Practice this with all dynamics. There's no dynamic marking, and the metronome marking is 40 to 80. So you could practice this at 200 if you really wanted to. Do it in cut time, do it in triplets. So this is just ideas for you to practice with. Set your fingers up. 1, 2, 3, lift. Ready, go.